Hey everyone, it's Mike from Orderflows, and welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you could join me for today's video, which is going to be an interesting topic. It sort of revolves around, sticking to your trading plan. Is there luck in trading, and maybe a few other topics as they sort of come up in the discussion. But before I jump in, if you've been enjoying these videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, so you don't miss any new video that I post. And again, if you find today's video helpful, and be sure to hit the like button and leave a comment sharing your thoughts on the video and whether there's a topic you want me to cover in another video. So today, um, it was kind of interesting. This is a couple of trades I took here in the YM today, and sort of a topic that I think comes up sometimes in trading is there luck involved? And I don't want to say there's luck involved, but there's some degree of randomness and uncontrollable factors in the market that we just have no control over. Now, there's going to be times where you're just lucky or unlucky. My kids play some competitive soccer leagues, and sometimes there's these goals that are scored and it just makes no sense, and it's just unlucky, right? And in trading, sometimes you find yourself in those situations. Now, this was a trade that I took in the mini Dow. I got short here. The market was starting to, it had come up here to 78, then started to come off a bit. I got short here at 46. I had a 20 tick stop, more or less up here at 40. My stop's at 66, right? So I'm short at 46, and then the market starts trading down, then starts coming up, and it stopped me out right up here at 66. Two lots traded up there. Okay, I can see that on the footprint, two. I was one of those contracts. Somebody bought one. My stop got triggered. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say, oh, they're gunning for my stop. Nobody cares about a stupid one lot order in the market. It's just unlucky, right? That's one of those unlucky situations where it just literally stops you out right to the tick. And, it's just one of those things where you're just like, as a trader, like, really, it came up there, one lot traded. The other one lot is my stop getting triggered. So I'm one out of that too. Then the market starts coming down. Now, this is where, understanding yourself as a trader, right, is going to be a big help. Now, I know, right, revenge trading is bad, right? Sometimes we sort of get stopped out on something. You're like, oh, I'm right. We always have this fascination that it's you against the market. Like, it's like the market screwed me. I'm going to show this market. I'm going to get, I'm going to start trading again. But I know that, based off of my analysis, that, I felt this market should continue to go down. I got short again. I put in an order to get short at 46. It was a stop. I got filled at 45. So originally I was short at 46. Market traded back up right to my stop level. Now, I'm not saying, don't get me wrong, I'm not insinuating nothing to that effect that, they were gunning for my stop. It's just unlucky that it turned, if it got within one tick right here at 65 and then turned around, that would have been fine. I wouldn't be making this video, but there's those instances where it just sort of it goes right up to your stop. It trades there, and then the market reverses. And again, knowing yourself as a trader and knowing, having confidence in what you're doing, your analysis is going to tell you, hey, you know what? I was unlucky here. I got stopped out here at the high of this bar, but I still feel bearish on this market. I got short again here, again at 45. This was, 46 was my original level. And again, I just dropped in a sell stop, get short. I guess so I got short here at 45. Market started going down, got down to 38. I'm feeling, hey, great. And, then it pops back up to 50. Again, so it's like 5 ticks against me. I'm not worried about that. And again, I'm looking for a move down to, below this yellow line, which is the opening price. I'm looking for a move much lower than that. And it started coming in. And then I start seeing the bearish order flow. Right? This bar is what I was looking for to come in here, not this green candle where it sort of pops up and comes back down. I was looking for this supply to come into the market, and then for the market to drop below this 23 level, which was the opening price. Eventually I covered down here at 16. So, I lost the 20 ticks on that one pop up there. Okay, you have to, um, you got stops in there for a reason, right? But sometimes you just get unlucky and you get stopped out literally to the tick. But you have to accept that, there's risks involved, right? Don't don't start thinking that, I don't need a stop, right? You do need a stop. Yeah, it's unlucky that I got stopped out at 45, but we're trading back down. I'm sorry, stopped out at 66. But if we're trading back down immediately at 45, I'm still, nothing has really changed for me in the sense of, yeah, you got this one green candle. Okay, but, even though we trade back up there and we're trading back down, I'm still looking at sort of the slightly bigger picture than this minute one bar here, that I should still want to be bearish. Okay, then finally the bearish order flow finally showed up in here, sort of, to make that move to where I was expecting the market. So, I took a loss on that one trade, 20 ticks, but then, on the next trade came right back. I believed in my, I have sound analysis that, yeah, I'm still looking for this move to happen, and it happened. So that's, in my opinion, that's not revenge trading, right? Revenge trading is where you get frustrated, and then you start jumping in on trades that make no sense, right? As long as you have some sort of sound analysis that's going into how you're trading, then you're going to want to take those trades. But again, in case you're sort of wondering why I got short, thinking of getting short here at this 46-ish area, well, I didn't, again, today is Thursday, tomorrow's non-farm payrolls. I am expecting, came in here sort of expecting kind of a quiet session. And, I just sort of want to catch some of these moves. I just didn't see much strength in this move up here. Obviously this green candle, I was looking for more to come out of it. Then I see the aggressive selling coming in here, nice solid negative delta coming in. Another nice, I'll say nice negative delta. This is only minus 14, but I just don't see that strong aggressive buying in the max deltas coming in here. Then obviously in this bar, by the time I got short, the delta was still around minus 40 as well. So I just saw it building up there. But again, you can see the max deltas are kind of small coming in here. So again, I just felt there really wasn't much to this move up. I thought that if we could catch a break, we could break down towards the 23 and just sort of rotate around there, which we did here. But again, this move from about 905 to about 913, this move right in here, I was looking for it to take place right here, not get this green candle up and this big red candle down. But again, I felt confident enough in my analysis. I just felt that stop out was just unlucky, right? Because if I got stopped out here at, okay, I got short at 46, market trades up here, I get stopped out at 45, and we're trading, stopped out at 6. That's what I hate about NinjaTrader. I got stopped out here. It says 66, but it's on the bottom. This 45 is where I got short. But I got stopped out at 66. If we're still trading around, 60, 65, even higher, or somewhere, above 55, I wouldn't be thinking of getting short immediately. But I just know that sometimes you just get that little burst up and then it just comes right back immediately. I probably want to still be short based off my analysis, and it comes down because, again, sort of talking about the randomness of trading, right? Sometimes there's just uncontrollable factors, right? I don't know that, as soon as I get short, a big buyer stepped into the market, that had some volume they needed to buy to help push this market up. But once that order is done, okay, let's see how the market reacts to it. It came right back down. That's why I got short again. And the second time worked. First time, yeah, I got stopped out, but you got to take those losses. You still got to have a stop, right? If I didn't have a stop, right, I'd tell you what would happen, right? I'd be short at 46. It trades up to 66, which would be my stop. And the next thing I know, it would be trading 80, right? And I'd be, instead of a 20 tick loss, I'm, looking at, a 30, 40 tick loss. That's how it goes if you don't have a stop. And stop is to technically, say protect you, but, it's defining your risk. And then again, I'm short at 45 in here. but my stop again is still going to be about here at 65. If it comes back up to 65, fine, I take the stop. I'd have 2 losses in a row. So be it. Okay, so again, is there luck in trading? No, not really. But there's times where you're unlucky. Okay, and getting stopped out right to your tick, in my opinion, is unlucky. You know, if maybe if I had a 1 tick better entry here at 47, I wouldn't have been stopped out at 66 because my stop would be at 67. It is what it is, all right? But you still, I hate that saying, it is what it is, but that's the truth. It is what it is. And the market made that move back down to, you know, where I was looking for it to go. Okay, so anyway, you know, it's part of trading. The journey of a trader is getting confident enough in your analysis and understanding that, you know what, I got stopped out, but is my analysis wrong? Why did I get stopped out? Right? Again, if I got stopped out here at 66 and then we're trading, still hanging around 65 for the next couple of minutes, I wouldn't be thinking of getting short again, right? But the fact that it came right back down immediately, I was confident enough in my analysis that maybe this buying that took place here was very short-lived, and you know I could get short again and look for that move, which happened. It's just unfortunate that these 2 bars happened, but that's the market sometimes. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you get something out of it. You know, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel. So thanks, everyone. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.